Hi, my name is Cydney Collier. I am sixth grade reading. My why for why I got into teaching was when I was a student, I struggled with school and I struggled with reading, and it was a high school teacher that really let it click for me. And that was when I decided I need to be able to give that gift forward and really dive into teaching kids, especially kids that struggle, because I've been there and I can really relate to them. A fun fact, if I wasn't a teacher, I would be an accountant. My dad is an accountant, and that was actually my first major in college. And then I went back and realized that teaching was my passion, and I jumped back into teaching. This year, in your child's reading class, we are going to look and analyze a variety of different texts, from novels to magazine articles to current events, videos, getting that digital text in. We dive into 3 novels throughout the year, and we integrate different genres within those 3 novels. The most important thing in my class in order to be successful would be for your student to familiarize themselves with Schoology, knowing their due dates, when things are due. All of them are in Schoology. They can click on the individual folders. On the right-hand side of their reading page, it'll say a to-do list, so whatever's been posted is on there with due dates. All of my stuff is due by 4 p.m. That's the end of the school day, and that's the latest that I will accept anything. We do a few things on paper this year, so your child being mindful of when those things are due. They are posted on my board in the classroom, as well as on the weekly guide that I send out to both your student and yourself on Sunday nights and Monday mornings. Any advice I could give to the parents would be to have a hack login, the Home Access Center, to be mindful of your child's grades, what they're missing, what they're doing well on, as well as have your child show you their Schoology page. So then that way, if they are missing something, you can say, hey, go into your Schoology, pull it up, let's see it. The grades in Schoology, however, don't always reflect the grades you're going to see in Hack. We take a lot of grades, but I don't put a lot of grades into Gradebook. Okay, I do a lot of averaging together. A promise that I can make to you and to your child is to promote the love of reading. I understand a lot of students don't like reading, they find it boring, but just what I can do is to help kind of bridge that, make it more enjoyable for them. You can always email me. My email is cydney.collier@midwayisd.org. It's in the link below. Please allow for a 24-hour response. Sometimes I don't have email at home, so I'll get it the next morning. If you ever need to meet with me, my conference time is Wednesdays through Fridays from 2:55 to 3:45. Please do not hesitate to contact me with any questions you have, any concerns regarding your child, and I'll be happy to talk with you about them. And I look forward to a great year.